Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. Once done, open Device Manager and locate the problem device showing code 10. You should note the device ID and driver version because you may need to roll back or reinstall. Make a system restore point and back up important data before changing drivers. Then uninstall the device driver using Device Manager. Check the option to remove driver software if available, and reboot so Windows can attempt to redetect hardware cleanly. Once Windows restarts, download the manufacturer's latest WHQL driver. You want the version matched to your OS and architecture. Install the driver as administrator and follow vendor instructions. Make sure to reboot after installation. Next, run Windows Update including optional updates and use the built-in hardware and devices troubleshooter to refresh configurations. Also inspect power management settings and BIOS/UEFI firmware for USB/PCIe options because aggressive power saving can trigger code 10. Update firmware if a vendor patch exists. You now verify functionality. Test the device in another port or a different PC to determine if the fault is hardware. If the problem persists, roll back to the previous driver or restore the system using the restore point you created. This often undoes problematic updates. Collect device ID and event viewer error logs before contacting vendor support so they can diagnose faster. If nothing works, consider replacing the device. Hardware failure is common when software fixes do not clear code 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.